Hello, my name is Bruno Cortebello, and I'm here to introduce you guys to my Matter and Sustainability key assignment for the fourth semester. The experimental design, we can start with the hypothesis. It was biodegradable detergents are as effective as non-degradable detergents when removing stains and washing dishes, and they present a better solution regarding the future of our planet faces. The independent variables are the different types of detergents that we used in the experiment. The dependent variables are how clean the dishes are at the end of each experiment. And we have a few controlled variables such as the amount of detergent used, the amount of oil used, times shaking the container, drying time, rinsing time, and the same brand of napkins for cleaning, and the same sponges and same coins. You guys will be introduced to each part of the experiment, and the control variables will be explained. Methodology for the first test uh, the objective was breaking down lipids with three different types of dish soaps. Procedure was take three different plates, put a teaspoon of vegetable oil on each plate, rub it equally on each plate, let it sit for 10 minutes, rinse with warm water, and look at the leftover residue of oil. The methodology for test two, objective, decrease water surface tension on a coin with detergents. Procedure, put a coin in a container, fill the eyedropper with water, drop water droplets until it spills over, repeat the process but each time with a different detergent, and count the drops it took for the water to spill over. Data collection. Data was collected in the first test. Data was collected by analyzing which of the plates had most amount of grease left by taking pictures with the flash on, seeing the amount of grease. As you can see in the pictures, uh, each different type of detergent left a bit different amounts of grease on the plate, and you can see with the flash on as the detergent reflects a little bit, not the detergent, the oil reflects a bit differently in each plate. For data collection for test two, the data was collected by the number of droplets that the surface tension of a coin could hold up before breaking. You can see here we're placing the water droplets, and the detergent breaks the surface tension of the water on the coin. Therefore, it's better for cleaning if it breaks more easily the surface tension. And if it breaks easier, there's going to be less droplets to on the coin. Uh, Less droplets are going to be used to break the surface tension. Data analysis for test one. Based on the collected data, was our hypothesis confirmed or not? The effectiveness, here we have each one of them. Action, the most effective was the non-biodegradable, then the biodegradable, then the one it's not biodegradable, but it has biodegradable ingredients. For test two, here's the graph explaining the amount of droplets it took um, for the water surface tension to break. As we can see, the one that took the less amount of water droplets was the non-biodegradable, which shows that it's not as effective as the biodegradable ones. Safety standards, we used eye protection. As we know, um, soap and other detergents can be a little irritant to the eye if it goes into the eye. And safety standards allow us to avoid having bigger repercussions in case of mistakes, lowering risk of injuring ourselves. Critical question one, what are the ethical implications using chemicals that may be harmful for the environment? Well, ethically speaking, we're damaging our planet. And if we use a detergent that is maybe a little bit more effective, but it's little by little causing problems uh, in our world, in our environment, it's not really a good option to be doing that. Some of the problems that it may cause is death of coral reefs, because coral reefs are not supposed to have detergent on them and they die. algal blooms, which is when there's too many nutrients or things that algae can eat, causing them to really get to cover the water. Therefore, there's no oxygen, and they use up all the oxygen, causing the fish or other animals in that ecosystem to die in human consumption. Because at the end of the day, if the fish ingests detergent, and we ingest the fish, at the end of we're eating that fish, therefore causing we're ingesting it ourselves, the detergents or other chemicals. Critical question 2: what actions or protocols can be put in place when designing new chemicals that may be effective but harm the environment? Well, we can, not we, but the producers can test enclosed environments. For example, have a made environment, a made up environment, and test it in there, so they can see what can the detergent cause to the environment. Therefore, if it causes, if it has bad problems, um, not put it out there so people buy it and end up in open environments causing bigger problems. Inspection of waste management within producers. Inside of the companies, they can have more frequent inspections to see uh, how effective it is, but how much it can damage the environment. Analysis of the risk reward by putting these chemicals into the hand of consumers. Yeah, as I said, people are going to get those products, and what's the risk reward ratio when we're talking about the amount of people that are going to buy it and how much is going to get into the environment, causing problems in the long run. Does the use of biodegradable detergents improve the quality of human life and environment? Yes, it has. It causes better environment quality in the future if we use biodegradable detergents. Um, in other ways, we can raise awareness through marketing, because people buy what they're being sold, and if they're being sold a product that cleans more but isn't biodegradable, people are going to buy that. But if marketing gets better and people start seeing more, oh, it's going to help the planet, therefore the people are going to buy that product instead of the one that cleans a bit more but still damages the environment. Less contaminants in the water that cause coral reef death. Coral reefs, and they produce our oxygen. Therefore, if they die, we don't have oxygen, and it's better to have something that doesn't damage that much the environment than having coral reefs die, having us causing us problems in the long run again about oxygen and pollution and all that. My conclusion, I'm gonna state it to you guys. In conclusion, it is safe to say that the technology behind biodegradable detergents still has to improve in order to uh, compete against the cleaning power of a non-biodegradable detergent. However, biodegradable detergents have less impact on the environment. Therefore, consumers should look into that option when buying their next detergent. Here are the sources we used, and here will be the link of this video. Thank you.